Hi guys, so I've had a package come through today. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing for you on this, and it's from so if I open that up there, it's funny how these Amazon packages come now. Okay, so you can see it there, it's the purple panda and it's a microphone. So I've had a few microphones, you can see in my other video that I've been using, and it's a matter of finding the best one. So I want to see what is going to give me the best option. So the one I've got was it's like a Boya shotgun, mini shotgun mic, copy of that Rode kind of thing. But this has been getting good reviews online, and at the moment I'm using like a headset microphone, so this should be a lot better. So now let's just see what we get. Okay, I've pulled it straight out there, so we've got a bit of a dead cat there to go on the microphone, and that is the mic itself. Oh, metal. Okay, it's got a metal clip, which is really good, and it's got a little foam on there. So let's just take that off. I think, okay, yeah. Oh, okay, interesting. I'll do a little close-up of that. That looks quite good quality actually. Okay, so that's the mic itself. It's quite a bit of wire with it, and something else. Okay, so I like the bag, nice little bag, like a velvet type bag. There's a secondary clip, which is good in case that one breaks, and that, I think that's the GoPro mount thing they offer you, but I don't really need that. Thank you for joining the Purple Panda family. You get a free gift for being our customer. Claim it using the link below. Okay, let's see what that is. Compatibility guide, a nice little explanation there of which lead is for which type of recording. So I wonder if I can plug this in and you can hear it now, because I'm recording into my mobile phone, and this in theory should I try it 1 second. Okay, so I'm going to unplug my mic. This is the Purple Panda mic, and I'm talking directly into this. There's no muff, no sound suck on it. So if I attach that, hello, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So it's the same recording settings as I was using on the old mic. I've just swapped the mic over to this one, and you'll instantly hear what it sounds like recording into the phone.